What if everything you trust collapses? What if truth becomes so distorted that you can no longer recognize it? And what if the greatest danger is not war, not hunger, but losing your faith? The end times are not just coming, they are unfolding. And the question is not when. It is, are you ready to survive? The end times are not a single moment. They are a series of tests, deception, fear, confusion, and instability. There will come a time when truth feels unclear. When people follow what feels right instead of what is right. And this teaches us something important. The greatest danger is not destruction. It is losing your guidance. Your first battlefield is your mind. Fear spreads faster than facts. Lies spread faster than truth. So learn to control your thoughts. Do not panic when others panic. Do not follow blindly. Always think. Always verify. Because whoever controls your mind, controls your reality. But mental strength alone is not enough. You need something deeper. You need spiritual strength. Because physical strength may help you survive for a while. But faith helps you survive everything. When fear rises, faith stabilizes you. When the world becomes dark, faith becomes your light. So strengthen your connection with Allah. Pray consistently. Remember Him in hardship. Turn to Him when everything else fails. Because when everything is taken away, your faith is what remains. Survival is not just about you. It is also about the people around you. In difficult times, people either lift you up, or drag you down. So choose your circle carefully. Stay close to those who remind you of truth. Those who stay calm. Those who strengthen your faith. Avoid those who spread fear and confusion. Because in the end, people will influence you more than facts. Now, while faith is essential, preparation also matters. You are not meant to panic, but you are meant to prepare. There may be times of scarcity. Times of instability. So be practical. Store what you need wisely. Learn basic survival habits. But remember, preparation is not fear. It is responsibility. Panic weakens you. Preparation strengthens you. One of the greatest challenges in the end times is deception. Truth will be mixed with falsehood. Good will look bad, and bad will look good. So protect yourself. Do not believe everything you see. Always verify. Because the most dangerous lies are the ones that feel real. And in times of chaos, many people lose their morals. They lie. They cheat. They betray. But real survival is not just staying alive. It is staying true. Hold on to your values. Be honest. Be just. Help others when you can. Because in the end, you are judged not just by what you survive, but by how you survive it. Another key is patience. The end times are not instant. They are a long test. And many people fail not because they are weak, but because they are impatient. They rush. They panic. They lose hope. But patience is strength. It is the ability to stay steady when everything else is falling apart. And finally, avoid extremes. Some people will live in constant fear. Others will ignore everything. Both are dangerous. The right path is balance. Be aware, but do not panic. Prepare, but do not obsess. Have faith, but stay grounded. Balance is what keeps you stable. And remember this. This life was never meant to last forever. It was always a test. And the end times are simply the final stage of that test. So do not just ask how to survive. Ask how to succeed. Because surviving physically but failing spiritually is not true success. When fear rises, stand firm. When confusion spreads, seek truth. When the world shakes, hold on to your faith. Because no matter how powerful the storm becomes, the one who stays guided is never truly lost.